Capital markets are composed of different areas, but with a common characteristic in all areas: mathematics and quant analysis give a competitive advantage. Rubikia provides a new philosophy for capital markets that allows answering questions that were previously impossible to answer.
Rubikia for options strategy.
Imagine an investor who wants to buy Apple. But that leads him to buy Apple? Can't be. Technical analysis, for example crossing of means, a fundamental analysis, or an artificial intelligence algorithm, or simply, you like the new iPhone. All these types of analyses are what generate the predictions. All these predictions are synthesized and Apple is going to go up. The simplest implementation of this prediction is buy Apple. If Apple go up he win, if Apple go down he lose. But which strategy is more efficient for that particular prediction, which means which strategy earns more if Apple goes up and which loses less if Apple goes down. But now also, the investor wants more restrictions on his strategy, for example. In the worst case, do not lose more than 2000 USD. And also wants to end up winning at plus 5% of the price. He wants to use as little as possible of his available margin. The amount of possibilities is more than atoms in the universe. Testing them all a supercomputer would take millions of years. But if the investor wants to find it in real time, Rubikia Optimization Services is the answer. Find optimal strategies, contemplating arbitrary restrictions of all kinds.
Rubikia for portfolio management.
An investor has a portfolio with certain properties: expected return, volatility, alpha, beta, drawdown. Normally, an investor sees his risk-benefit. And he wonders which portfolio at the same risk has more expected return and which portfolio at the same benefit has lower risk. To find these portfolios, analysts use the efficient Border-Markowitz model, but this has some limitations. And if the investor has the possibility of being able to shorten some assets? What if some assets in particular may be leveraged with futures? And if he wants to have a certain percentage of his portfolio in an asset, then optimize? Rubikia Optimization Services is the answer. Find optimal portfolios, contemplating arbitrary restrictions of all kinds.
Rubikia for technical analysis.
An investor analyzes an asset. Use indicators and technical analysis strategies. Crossing averages, MACD, Fibonacci, RSI, CCI, etc. When performing a backtesting, write the result of the strategies with their parameters. But now, the investor asks the reverse questions: what strategies would have had a higher return on the same number of successful operations, with a drawdown of less than 5% and a success rate of over 60%? With what parameters? For which asset would these strategies have worked better? Rubikia Optimization Services are the answer. Find optimal strategies with multi-parameter backtesting, contemplating arbitrary restrictions of all kinds.
Rubikia for valuations.
Imagine that an investor is presented with opportunities with different uncertainties. 8% chance of winning $200,000. 50% chance of winning $30,000. 100% chance of winning $10,000. 10% chance of winning $100,000. How to order according to your preferences. For expected value? By utility theory? Is the expected value really the best criterion for the investor? But how can we optimize a strategy if we don't really know the investor's criteria? Let's model and learn about how he thinks. How do we find the best possible opportunity, taking into account the personal criteria of the investor? That's what Rubikia is for. Rubikia is able to find optimal opportunities for personalized criteria contemplating restrictions in real time.